Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and this is the quick recap for the next week fundamental analysis. That means for the next Monday to Friday, and we are going to analyze the market fundamentally for the news, for the fundamental things, for geopolitical issues. Where can be market move, or what is the situation of USD or gold in upcoming week? So let's get started. Before we gonna start, we have to see USD news. That means what kind of US news coming in upcoming days. And as you can see, there is Monday. There is bank holiday, that means United States bank holiday, and in Tuesday we have PMI news 2 times, and in Wednesday we have job opening news, and in Thursday we have non-farm challenge and unemployment claim. Another time is ISM service PMI, and in Friday we have NFP, the most powerful news in the whole month or entire month. And there is more geopolitical related issues in upcoming weeks, so we have to keep our concern on that, like US court rules against Trump emergency tariff, and Trump says all tariffs are still valid to save their nation, to make more stronger American economy. So what will be going to happen in next Monday to Friday? So we will break down the market structure and fundamental things. So if you see this video until end, you will learn each and everything for the next week, and you can implement that in future in the forex market or gold market. So let's get back into our beginning of the analysis. So for the gold, if we want to analyze the gold fundamentally, we have to keep our concern or keep our eyes on USD news, because XAU or gold is always connected with USD, so we have to follow USD news. So there is two kind of news comes in the market. One of them is positive data, second of them is negative data. Okay, this two kind. And in basic or in generally, if I want to say what are they and what are they impacts on the market, so positive news come with positive data, like green 0.5%, green to 45k, and that indicates sell for gold. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why sell for gold? So I will break down that in a minute. And let's go back into negative news. Negative news come with red data, like 0.5%, 245k, and that indicates buy for gold. Okay, so let's learn why for buy in negative news, sell in positive news. So as per you can see, there is some few triangles, and before we start, you need to keep your concern on those two things. That is, gold value is always fixed, that means this is constant value, and USD value or currency value is changeable, that means currency value can be up or down, or it can be changed anytime. Okay, so for now, suppose one triangle of XAUUSD is equal to one triangle or 2500 triangle of United States dollar. Okay, and those both are similar, or those both are equal. Okay, and if we get minus 5% data in the market, and what will be happen in that case? As you can see there, if we minus 5% from this triangle size will be smaller than previous one, because low value on United States dollar, and in that case gold is bigger than USD. That's why for negative news we will buy gold, that means gold is upper than United States dollar. And if we plus 5% with previous triangle, plus 5%, if we add plus 5% in that triangle will be bigger than previous one, and in that case USD is strong than gold, that means sell for gold. Okay, and as you can see there, gold triangle is same or similar in every situation. So I hope you understand, and let's check what kind of news coming in the upcoming weeks. And as you can see there is, we have Monday bank holiday, that means United States bank holiday. If there is no geopolitical issues and Donald Trump speaks, or United States court speaks, or immediate meeting in Fed chairman or Fed related other people, there is no impact on the market. That means there will be no fundamental impact in the gold market. Market will move within a channel or within support resistance, that means it will move sideways. Okay, I hope that is clear. If there is no geopolitical issue or fundamental things happen, or immediate any decision not taken by Donald Trump or Russia Ukraine, or you may know that about geopolitical issues, if there is no geopolitical issues, or if there is no tariff related issues, gold market will be moved sideways. That means it will follow a channel, support or resistance, or it can be supply or demands. Okay, So in Tuesday we have ISM manufacturing PMI news, and that will be impact on the market very much. So we have to keep our concern on that news. If data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, same thing for Wednesday. We have job opening news. Okay, if data come with positive, we will sell gold. If data come with negative, we will buy gold. And in Thursday we have some few news, that means unemployment claims, that is major news, and ADP non-farm major news, ISM service PMI. These three are major news. If data combination, like as you can see, there are three of data come previous days, and this is expecting data for the upcoming days. And if data come with more than 71k, more than 229k, more than 50.5k or 50.5, we will, if data come with green data, like more than that, we will sell gold for positive data. And data, if data come with negative, we will buy gold. And you must ask me, Mr. Boom, if two data come with positive value, one data come with negative, what will we will do? That will depend on what kind of news data will come, positive or negative. This is most important. Okay, news. Then number one is this, number two is this, number three is this. Like if number 1 and 2 data come with positive value, we will sell gold. Nothing will happen with that negative value. Okay, that is the thing. And we are updating each and every moment in our Telegram channel, what you have to do, what kind of data comes in the market. So you have to keep our conclusion, or if you have to keep our mind into our Telegram channel to get real-time data update. Okay, there can be an emergency meeting in any time, so we will update that into our Telegram channel, so you can decide the market movement, or you can take action depending on the market movement. So there is few more thing, or there is, if I want to summarize all of them, what kind of news or what kind of issue coming in the upcoming weeks. Number one, NFP, okay, coming. Number 2, unemployment claims, okay, unemployment claims. Number 3, ISM, okay. Number 4, okay, this can be PMI, okay, PMI news. This can be PMI, then ADP, okay, then job opening, and there 4 are major, and you may see the chart. And there is number 5 is tariff related issue, okay. Number 6 is Russia Ukraine issue, okay. That can be happens on the market, or you have to keep your concern on those 6 things. Or there can be many more issue comes, like Fed issue, okay. So if there is something happens like that, immediately we will update into our Telegram channel. So if you want to join our Telegram channel, you may visit our video description to check it out. So I hope all thing is clear now. If you have any more query or any query related on fundamental things, you may ask our admin on Telegram. They will always love to help you, or always love to assist you. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.